Alan, you could smile, man. You guys had blowout numbers. You had a there you go. You had big growth in your Silvergate exchange network, customer growth as well, even as crypto has kind of struggled the last couple of months. To what do you attribute that success, and how interested still are your clients in crypto?
Yeah, I appreciate that. Our customers are still very engaged in this ecosystem. And one of the things about Silvergate and the Silvergate Exchange Network is we are the regulated on-ramp and off-ramp from the traditional financial system into and out of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. We are institutionally focused. So we have over 1,500 clients who are cryptocurrency exchanges and institutional investors, many of whom trade the asset, whether it's going up or down. A lot of them like to trade the volatility. However, when trading volumes are muted, as they were in the first quarter, oftentimes that leads to kind of slowdowns in the business. Having said that, our customers are still very engaged, and as you pointed out, we added over 100 additional clients in the first quarter and now stand at just over 1,500 clients.
In 1869, Alan, we had that moment at Promontory Point where the Western railroads and the Eastern railroads, they finally met. They kind of had that golden spike and brought the two sides together. It feels like, as an outsider looking in, that we're kind of at that golden spike moment. You guys are a bank. You're a Federal Reserve member bank. Is this now, right now, the time when big banks, finance, old school Wall Street type stuff, and crypto have their golden spike moment?
Yeah, it's an interesting analogy. And, we actually started looking at this space back in 2013. We opened our first account for a customer in the Bitcoin space. This was before all, Ethereum and all the other tokens. We opened our first account for a customer in January of 2014. So we've been doing this now for 8 years, and we've been anticipating the broader financial market to pay attention to this. You're absolutely right. It does feel like now is the time. And I think we've made a shift from where, a couple of years ago, people kind of scratched their heads if you were looking at Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. And now I think, folks might be starting to scratch their head if you're not paying attention to it.
Certainly people are paying attention to Bitcoin, but I do think there are all these questions, Alan, about regulatory challenges ahead, especially with your focus on creating a stablecoin based on those assets that you bought from Meta Platforms, what was DM. How much of a challenge do you think those regulatory changes could be, and why is a stablecoin so essential for your future?
Yeah, I appreciate that question. So you can think about a stablecoin as a tokenized dollar. We all, those of us that have smartphones, we're already used to transacting with digital representations of value. Most of the time, that's a credit card or a debit card. It might be attached to an app on our phone. But the settlement of that happens after the fact. It can take days, in fact, for an actual payment to move from my bank account to yours, even though it might feel like it's instant. And so those days that it's taking, that's essentially an extension of credit until such time as it settles. The beauty of a stablecoin is that it is instant settlement because the tokenized value moves across the internet in real time, 24/7. It is absolutely something that, from a regulatory standpoint, we take this very seriously. We've, as I mentioned, been banking this ecosystem for the last 8 years. We currently bank all of the existing regulated U.S. dollar-backed stablecoins that are offered in the United States. They all use our Send platform, the Silvergate Exchange Network, and our API capabilities to mint and burn their dollar tokens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we believe that the regulatory environment is such that regulators want to see this activity inside the banking system and not outside of it. And that's what gives us confidence in our ability to launch a stablecoin, hopefully by the end of this year.